Hey guys, Marvin here. Welcome back to my channel. Today I have a simple hack that I want to share with you guys about my chandelier. As you can see up there, actually it's tonight because it's evening here. And behind me I have a dimmer switch that controls my chandelier, which has 9 bulbs. That means that if I need to replace the bulbs, I need like 9 dimmable bulbs. Dimmable bulbs are expensive. And what I'm using in my chandelier right now are just a regular non-dimmable bulb, but I can still control it with a dimmer switch. That's the hack I'm going to show you guys, how to make the regular non-dimmable bulb to work as dimmable. So let's go. All right, so the lights is off just to show you guys that those bulbs are non-dimmable. So I'm gonna turn my slider dimmer here. Still not turning on. If I slide it all the way to full, to maximum, as you can see, all the bulbs are just flashing because they're not dimmable. So the hack that I'm talking about is like if you have like multiple bulb in a single switch, like a dimmer switch like this, all you need is one dimmable bulb to make the rest dimmable. So I have one dimmable here. This is not the same bulb. You can use any dimmable bulb. It doesn't have to be like a chandelier bulb like this. You only need one bulb, one dimmable bulb, to make the rest of the bulbs dimmable as long as they are connected in parallel in single switch. So let's put this on. Put this here. You can just install it on any of the socket, because again, they are connected in parallel. It's not gonna make a difference. All right, so now I'm gonna turn it on. There you go. So now I can control and dim all the bulbs. Again, you only need one dimmable bulb. It means like one dimmable circuit to make the rest of the bulb dimmable as long as they're connected in parallel. So if you are using just one bulb in a single switch, you don't need to save money for that. You can just buy one dimmable bulb and you're good to go. So now let me remove the dimmable bulb just to show you what's gonna happen. You're just gonna loosen it. There you go. It turns off. I'm gonna put it back. There you go, it turns on again. There you go. All right. So let me show you all the valves that I installed. There you go. Yeah, so if I take this off, the rest still working. You can see where it says, there you go, non-dimmable. Put this back on. Here, non-dimmable. Right. Again, if I remove the dimmable one here, it turns off. Alright, so just to show you, I grab another dimmable bulb. So I'm going to remove the one that we're using right now. Okay, the light's gonna turn off. Just put it there. All right, so install this one here. Oops. And the valve should turn on, right? So as you can see that the dimmable valve that I replaced is not a daylight. So, but it still works. Again, as long as you have one dimmable valve, it will make the rest of the bulbs dimmable as long as they're connected in parallel. Especially in the chandelier, of course, they are all connected in parallel. So I'm gonna try to control it here. You guys can see, right? There you go. I can turn it off. I can to the maximum. There you go. All right, so I'm gonna put back the one that I'm using because they are the same color. I don't want this one here. There you go. And just to confirm again, right, there you have it. Alright, so that's the simple hack that I want to share with you guys tonight. Again, you only need one dimmable valve, any dimmable valve that you have to make the rest of the valves dimmable. Only one and you're good to go. I know probably lots of you people out there already know this hack, but if you don't know, this is really useful and can save you a little bit of money. So if you think that this content is useful, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and probably subscribe. I will really appreciate that. And again, one valve is all you need to make that dimmable. And thank you guys for watching. I will see you in the next one. Bye bye.